What is up, folks? It's your man Jay, and I'm back with another video. This time I have a sponsored video by One More. They reached out and they say, you know what? We like your work. We're going to take care of you. We're going to give your followers some free headphones. So this is short and straight and to the point. This contest is going to run from June 3rd to June 17th. So be sure to get your entry in. I want you to share the video and tag me on social media, whether it be Twitter, Instagram, whatever. Follow me at Mr. J.L. Williams. Follow One More with the links down below at their social media sites. You have to be following them and me in order to be entered, and just leave your comment down below. And how do you enter the contest? I'm going to tell you right now. One thing I got to emphasize, though, is they told me this is for the 50 United States only. So if you're not in the U.S., unfortunately, they are not shipping to your location at the current moment for this particular giveaway. But stay tuned. You could be entered into another giveaway in the future. So with that being said, how do you enter? Just leave the city and state where you are currently located for your shipping address. Do not leave your full shipping address in the comments. You will automatically be disqualified. I'm not going to be going through deleting comments from people who leave their full shipping address and name and information down there, emails. Don't leave any of that information in there because you're going to be exposing yourself to the masses. All you need to do is leave your city and state where you are currently located for your shipping, and that will be your entry. Any other comments outside of that are totally welcome, like, thanks for the giveaway. I live at this city and state, things like that. But really, all you have to do is leave your city and state, and you will be randomly selected. Again, this is going to run from June 3rd to June 17th, so be sure to get in before then. Remember to look in the description because you're going to have to be following One More at those locations. If you don't have all of them, just at least be following them on one of their locations, like i.e. Twitter or Instagram or Facebook or whatever I put down there for their social media links. So follow me at Mr. J.L. Williams and follow them at One More and whatever it is down below. So be sure to click on those links in the description. So there you have it. It's your man Jay. Quick video for a giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. And thank you to One More for sponsoring this giveaway. One thing is, they're going to be doing a drop ship. So, I'm not going to be doing the shipping for this. This is all One More. I'm just doing the video presentation for them. Great company. And I totally recommend their product. So if you don't win here, there's also a discount code down below, and you can use my discount and get a discount on the headphones. A lot of people are purchasing with the discount code. Appreciate it for supporting the channel. So there you have it. Now I'm officially out. It's your man Jay. Take care.